ride a motorcycle. Oh my god, it's cold! Did you see it's cold? I bet it's because we're not holding that.